Hello, welcome to my channel, Vanessa.
Night and day, it rained the whole day till on Sunday. I'm waiting for a shining day. Might be singing, might be
And if you don't know who I am, my name is ALIN WULANDARI. Here, I wanna promoting something. First thing first, I have one question. What do you do if you are bored besides playing on your cell phone? You can answer in the comment section and I'll be waiting for you. Have you done, guys? Okay, now it's my turn. I always bored every day, and when I'm bored, I usually playing with my cats, listening music, and this is what I often do. Playing bricks. Yeah, I have so many bricks in my room because my ex gave me this before we are broke up, and he saying, I don't want to see you cry, so if you are sad, you can play this toy. I think this toy can make you happy. Okay, whatever. I don't know, what do you think, guys? When I will review this toy. Okay, I will review this toy while I'm playing this toy. So, let's go! Come on with me. We will assemble this. Wait, I'm setting up the camera. And why I'm touching my laptop? And it's ASMR. We got three things in here. First is a manual paper, then the bricks and the removal tools. Wait guys, it's hard for me. I was looking at the manual paper and starting to assemble it. By the way, the toy that I put in the box is different from the picture in the box because I put the bricks in the wrong box at the time. Sorry guys. Okay, so now I will review this product. Bricks are a toy made from plastic and usually shaped like a blocks, and the size is very small. It's same like Lego. Honestly, you just have to assemble it. I like this toy because I can play it alone without anyone else. This toy is very suitable for people who like to assemble things, like me. Besides from the cute shape, bricks also has many colors. It makes me amazed when I manage to assemble it. Sometimes if I get bored, I will reassemble this toy. Really guys, because I like assemble things. I think it took me an hour for the first time I assembled this toy. But because I've been assembling this toy a lot, it only takes me 10 or 20 minutes now. Honestly, it's so exciting. I don't even remember I'm making a video. I'm just focused on playing it. Wait guys. I will done in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! What I did? It was not visible on the camera.
happy, happy.
guys, come back with me. And this is the result. Oh my god, look at that guys. It's so cool. I'm so in love with this toy. By the way, if you wanna buy this toy, I will give the link in the description box so you can check it. Bye bye guys!